In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Tidio with Mailchimp so you can automatically send new leads from chat straight to your email list and streamline your email marketing. Start by logging into your Tidio dashboard. Once you're inside, look at the left sidebar and open the integration section. This area lets you connect Tidio with other tools you already use. Scroll through the available integrations until you find Mailchimp, then click Install. This begins the connection process between the two platforms. Next, you'll be asked to authenticate your Mailchimp account. Log in with your Mailchimp credentials when prompted. After logging in, you'll see a permission screen. Approve the access so Tidio can communicate with your Mailchimp account and manage subscriber data. Once authorization is complete, you'll be asked to choose a Mailchimp audience. This is the list where new contacts collected through Tidio will be added. Keep in mind that Tidio can sync with one audience at a time, so choose the list that best fits your marketing strategy. After selecting the audience, confirm your choice. That's it, your integration is now active. From this point on, subscribers captured through Tidio chats will be automatically added to your selected Mailchimp audience, saving you time and keeping your email list organized. Thanks for watching and happy email marketing.